where we feel what is done so far, what is emerging, and what is aspirational based on the four aspects on terms of offerings, procedures, settings, and complexity. Uh, so far and right now, till say a few years before, the robotic systems which are available in the market were the high-end niche systems. And now companies like Medtronic, Intuitive Surgical have came up with the flagship systems, compatible and portable SKUs, procedure-specific systems, and so on, which has given more benefits to the surgeon on choosing in what kind of robotics they have to purchase and they have not to purchase for a specific procedure. What is aspirational is taking an analogy from say telecom industry. uh, I believe, and that's an opinion, that going forward, more of a COTS, common off the shelf hardware, would come into the picture. And the differentiation would be more done based on the features rather than the hardware. Uh, where perhaps new companies can come in, or even the startups can play their role, where there would be a single hardware and on which the COTS hardware can be installed, or maybe a softwares can be plug and play and can be used on demand. In terms of procedures, surgical robots have been well adopted across the world in terms for the cancer surgery, for the urology, for general surgery. Um, Also, as new portable procedure-specific systems are being developed for the orthopedics, for the gynecology, for the cardiothoracic surgery, what I believe that going forward, the surgical robot will expand their horizon to the procedures like otolaryngology, neurology, and more interventional procedures like intracellular repair, targeted drug delivery. I'm not just talking about the robotic drug delivery within the blood, but also the drug delivery that need special access to the sites which are not currently accessible, maybe at home or in the hospital settings. Coming to the settings, so far the robotic surgery outreach was limited to the certain hospitals and the academic centers in certain cities, which has expanded towards the community centers, ambulatory centers so far. Very limited adoption has been observed here, but still, yes, the early signs are visible in the US and in certain cities of the Europe. Uh, what is aspirational or expected is the adoption of the robotic surgical robots in the low volume adopters settings, outpatient remote settings, and probably in future in the extraterrestrial or the extreme environment surgery, or maybe for the military applications as well. In terms of complexity, this is pretty expected from the high complexity procedures to the automating the mid-level tasks such as closures to the low complexity procedures. That's the natural progression we can expect from a surgical robot.